Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles on your Discord server. First, open your Discord application and select the server where you want to add roles. Look for the server name at the top left of your screen and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Server Settings to access all the administrative options for your server. This is the crucial first step to begin customizing your server's member organization. Once you are in Server Settings, find and click on Roles in the left-hand navigation panel. This will display all existing roles and give you the option to create new ones. To add a new role, simply click the Create Role button or the small plus icon. You'll then be prompted to give your new role a name, such as Moderator or Member, and select a unique color to help distinguish it visually. With your new role created, it's time to define what members with this role can do. Click on the Permissions tab within the Roles settings. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of permissions, ranging from Manage Channels to Kick Members. Carefully toggle each permission on or off according to the responsibilities you want this role to have. Remember to click Save Changes at the bottom to ensure all your adjustments are applied effectively. Finally, with your roles created and permissions set, you can now assign them to your server members. Navigate back to the Members tab within your server settings. Scroll through your member list or use the search bar to find the specific member you want to assign a role to. Click the plus icon next to their name and a list of your created roles will appear. Select the appropriate role and it will be instantly assigned to that member.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.